Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the KoolMore KM-MD-1SS 24-inch stainless steel microwave drawer. Don't forget to click the link below for the best price. This appliance is a game changer, offering both style and convenience to your kitchen. With its 24-inch design and 1.2 cubic feet of interior space, it fits perfectly into standard cabinetry, providing a sleek, modern look while saving counter space. This microwave drawer operates at 1000 watts of power, which means quick and efficient cooking, reheating, and defrosting. You'll find 10 custom cooking levels that allow for precise control, so whether you're softening butter, defrosting meat, or popping popcorn, you get the perfect heat level each time. One standout feature is its memory function. This allows you to save your preferred cooking settings, so with just one touch, you're ready to prepare your favorite dishes. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in daily use. And for added flexibility, the timer function helps you manage cooking times precisely, which is especially helpful when you're multitasking in the kitchen. Another advantage of the KoolMore microwave drawer is its wall-mounted design with a flat bottom. This not only enhances the clean, streamlined look of your kitchen, but also provides easier access, especially when compared to traditional countertop models. You can place it at a convenient height, making it perfect for anyone who wants to avoid bending down repeatedly. Built with durable stainless steel, this microwave drawer is easy to clean and maintains its shine over time, adding an upscale touch to any kitchen. The smooth, touch panel controls are intuitive and responsive, allowing for effortless operation every time. Overall, the KoolMore KM-MD-1SS microwave drawer combines powerful performance, a smart design, and convenient features that make it a top choice for modern kitchens. If you're ready to add style and functionality to your cooking space, check out the link below for the best price on this incredible appliance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link for more details.